Just imagine sitting at home in front of your computer making at least $200 a day. God, not just 200. Are you ready to make this $800? I mean, $800 a day. Now, let me tell y'all need to go to text. Well, hey, Boss Up Babies, have you guys bossed up today? If you haven't bossed up today, then what are you doing? Hey guys, welcome back to Mama Cutie Finance. If you are new here and you like news you can use, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and hit that like button while you're at it, okay? Okay guys, this next easy side hustle I got for you guys. Okay guys, the first thing I want you guys to do is pull up your Google, type in rev.com. And once you do that, it's going to pull up, okay? And now you're going to be on their home screens. 3 little lines on your right hand side. Go ahead and click on those 3 lines, okay guys? It gets a little tricky. Go ahead and click on those 3 lines. And once you click on those 3 lines, guys, you're going to see services, you're going to see pricing, you're going to see resources. I want you guys to click on resources, okay? And so once you click on resources, go ahead and scroll all the way down. Don't worry about my screen because it's kind of big and kind of small, but just go ahead and scroll all the way down. Okay. And so you got 3 choices to pick from. All right. So you could create a flexible work schedule, and they're freelancers with this flexible work schedule, guys. It allows them to work. It allows you to work as much or as little as you want and still earn that money. Okay. And what you're going to see is become a Rev freelancer. You have to sign up. So come on, let's quickly just sign up for this account. All right. So you just type your first and last name right here, guys. You put in your email. You want to be a transcriptionist, or you want to be a captioner. Now you're going to go select the country that you're in. And I am in, guys, guess what country that I'm in? So all you have to do now is just go and check your email, confirm your email with them. And it says email link has been sent. So what they want you to do is complete your application on a laptop. Once you complete your application on a laptop or a computer, they pay via PayPal, guys, once you finish all your work, and they said their payments are on time and dependable. And earning money from these side hustle, guys, the sky is not a limit. You can earn from $200 a day all the way up to $800. You never know. Some days might not be good days, but you keep sticking with it, you will get paid. Okay guys, are y'all ready to make this $800? I mean $800 a day. Y'all ready? Okay. Now let me tell y'all need to go to textbroker.com. Now, let me get ready to pull it up. But before I pull it up, let me tell y'all about textbroker.com. People don't know about this. All you have to do is write and you get paid. No, you don't have to physically get a pencil and a paper to write, guys. I'm going to show you everything you need to do to make this money, okay? This money on the table, so why y'all ain't doing it? This is one of the best side hustles for women staying at home. If you ain't making this money, y'all ain't bossing up on your girl, okay? So y'all come on, let's go to this website, textbroker.com, and I'll meet y'all over there. Getting some extra money, okay? Okay guys, now we're on the website right now, textbroker.com. You just go ahead and type that in, and you can see they hire writers at this place. Okay, so let me tell you a little bit how this works. It's very, very simple. Normally, guys, it's a lot of businesses, it's a lot of people that don't like to write. So what Text Broker does, they pay people to write. And guess who those people are? Those people are you. They're paying you to write for other people. Now, how clever is that? This is such an easy job, guys. Okay, guys, if you don't like texting, I'm going to make this very, very simple for you. You don't have to text with this job. I got a secret for you, but let me show you this first. I want you to go down and click on self-service. And once you click on self-service, click I write content. And once you click on I write content, guys, yeah, there it is right there. I'm going to give you time to go to it. Tell me when you guys have it pulled up. All right, I'm just waiting a little bit long because I don't want you guys to keep up, okay? All right, so now once you have that up, you're going to come to a different screen, and it's a little tricky again. So I want you guys to kind of scroll down, and here we go. Voila, earn money by writing content. Now guys, it asks you, is your passion writing? Your passion doesn't have to be writing. Your passion is to make money, right? So don't worry about writing. All right, you're going to be writing for a whole bunch of people, but I told you, I'm going to tell you a secret to this writing. It's not as hard as you think it is. Okay, so all you have to do is write for them and get paid. But technically, you're not going to be using your fingers to write. Okay, so guys, let's head on over. Let me see if there's anything I want to show you from here, right here. So what I did was clicked on payments, and it's going to tell you exactly what you need to do to get set up and started. You want to make sure you click on free registration, and it's going to ask you, are you a client and you want to place some orders, or are you here to make that money? So of course, guys, you're going to click that you want to be an author and you want to earn that money. So you want to sign up, make sure that you signed up properly, guys. Put in the correct email, because they're going to be sending you this information. Now, it's very important that you are 18 years old, guys, and that you are a citizen of the United States, or you have to be a permanent resident. If you're not, you probably will not be able to do this type of job, but I do have other jobs for you. Okay, so all you have to do is just scroll down, type in your expertise. If you have a profession, let them know that. Okay, and let them know how you heard about them. Put in your email, type a passcode you can remember, and make sure, guys, that you put in a legit email. And all you have to do is confirm all the check marks. And once you confirm these check marks, guys, you are getting very, very close to getting paid. Okay, so this particular company right here, guys, they do pay you by PayPal. So make sure that you set up the right PayPal as well. Okay, guys, you remember I said that you did not have to text with your fingers. You can actually text with your mouth. Yes, you can, at speechtexter.com, or you can go to Google. So make sure that you have your microphone turned on, because it will not work. So let's say best side hustle. There, you see there, it's up, and there's best side hustle. Guys, you can say pretty much whatever you want to say when you're getting ready to type things, and it will just say it for you. And guys, like I said, if you don't like SpeechTexter, you can go to Google Docs, and Google Docs does the same exact thing. All right, boss up babies, I hope that I have helped somebody boss up today. Until next time, I want you guys to stay prayed up and bossed up, baby.